What's the period? Okay, very good. Good job. Very good. Number two, please. Number two. The bat likes my pet. Oh, is that correct? The bat likes my pet. The bat likes my pet. Dog or yeah, dog.
Balik na, dili makuha ni Riley.
Okay, I thought you don't remember. Oh, sorry. Okay, no distraction. Nikki! Okay, you said no distraction. Is it a small letter L or big letter L? Yeah, okay, I understand. Okay. I'm just teasing. What? My pet likes the pet? What? My pet likes the pet? What is that? Okay, that's okay. But you said pet here. Mhm. Yeah, my pet likes the bat. Very good. Good job. Let's see the bedroom. It's so yes, I can see. Your M is like this. It's okay. You can continue. It's okay. My pet likes the game. Where is the the small one? Okay, you're done. Very good. Ready? Go. Ah. Okay. Thank you for answering this pretty. Next is this one. Comprehension check. Now, please look at the picture. Look at the letter or the sentence and then put something on the box. problem for that. Okay, let me check it. So we have my mom and I go to pet store. Very good. Got my bag and then now got this. Good job. Nice one. Very good. Let's clean up. Okay. What is our lesson 12? Okay, now after this tomorrow, we're gonna use new book. Yes, not last month. Saturday. So tomorrow, let's continue the last one. Let's go to your new book. Okay. So now, thank you for extending 10 minutes of your time. And I'm sorry for being late. I thought you joining earlier. I said, I just see you joining. So I kept messaging. Where is Sweetie? Where is Sweetie? And then I saw that you are joining. So, oh my God. I missed to see that you are joining. But it's okay. Yes. Yes, it's okay. But thank you, Pretty, and I see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye, Pretty. Good night. Bye bye.
Riley.
Hi, Bill. Good evening. Hi. Good evening for extend the time of my student before you. There's misunderstanding for the first one. But thank you for waiting. Let's extend our class as well today. Okay? Bill, thank you for joining tonight. Can you share a little bit of your day today? What? Okay. Um, wow, where did you? Is that place? You it's a beach, park, a beach. A park. Okay. With okay, with your family and friends, correct? Okay. So only two. So for the 2 days of vacation, you went outside. You go outside with your family. Oh, that's good. That's good. What else did you do? Nothing. That's okay. Did you watch the river? 20? Oh, I see. So did you switch it to English? Very good. Good job. Very good. Now you can actually put a subtitle. You can still work in English now. You can put a English subtitle. You can change the subtitle. Yes, the word, but it's better for you to listen English and your English. Okay? Okay, that's good to hear. Now, are you ready? Yes, you are. Very good. Now, let me go to your book. Do you remember our last topic last Wednesday? So what is our lesson? Is that our lesson? Are you sure? Our lesson is this one. They're happy now. Very good. Good job. Now we go here. This, right? Behind. And then this one. Right? We're done with this. Okay. Very good. So now we're done with your fluency time. You figure it out. Are we done with it? I think not yet. We're not yet done here. I think this we discussed it, right? Next to in front of next. Yeah, we're done. This one too, right? And then this one. Okay. How about this one? You're right. Okay. Now this one, let me show you. No, we're done. Yes, we're done. Still reviewing here. Because we're done with this. We are in lesson. Have you got a milkshake? Very good. Good job. Have you got a milkshake? Now, can you repeat? Good. 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 Tea sandwich. Good job. So, we have salad, we have fries, we also have pizza, milkshake, tea sandwich, and chips. Now, I want you to read this book with the speak it in English. Now I want you to read four. For this one, please start. How do you think that? Okay, good. Thanks. Now then, I have yes, I have. No, I have. Okay, now we need to answer this. Now this girl asked this boy, "Have you got a milkshake?" What's he gonna answer? Okay. What is the real answer? What is your final answer? Yes or no? Yes, I have. Very good. Now number two, the girl asking, "Have you got the salad?" Very good. Good job. So this boy has milkshake and chicken, so not salad. Good job. Now I want you to answer this. We have yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Yes, she has. And no, she hasn't. Now, for example,